What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing these ugly ass headlights. So you can see they're yellowing. Up here they're starting to fade out. The plastic is starting to fade out, especially this one. This one's way worse. They look good turned on, but once they're off they kind of bring down the look. Can't really see it in camera too well. But yeah, we bought some badass ones from Pro Tuning Lab. It's a shop in California. Here's one little sample of how they look. We got the expensive ones, you know, because these were the made in China shit. Now these are made in Taiwan, but you could feel the difference of the plastics and the brackets. This one feels a lot heavier than that one over here. I'm sure this is around maybe 10 pounds or a little less, 8 pounds maybe, and that motherfucker's like 3 pounds. It feels like cheap ass plastic, and as you can see, both brackets are broken right now. It tends a lot to happen with these style lights. So yeah, for a long time this has been facing upwards. Once I drive, I always have to fix them after I'm done driving. As you can see, these are kind of looking more downwards, and that's how they should be looking. These are pretty stiff, although they are broken too, I'm sure. Yeah, right here, bracket right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have these up for sale, or I'm gonna actually probably fix them up and convert them into RGBs. Maybe try to start something there. But yeah, we're gonna replace them for now, and I'll probably just get an Amazon package for RGB so I can make this light bar colored, and I'll probably raffle them or sell them because I won't need them. Obviously I'll probably fix this right here, probably glue it together or something. But yeah, all right. By the way, this isn't gonna be an installation video, it's gonna be more of a blog, but I will show you what you need to do to install them. So I won't show the full installation, but I'll show you the wires that you're supposed to connect, and also show you how to take off your headlights and all that. So basically we just start right here. Le quitamos este aquí y luego le quitamos este. They have two of these. Mine is actually broken on this side over here. There's no bracket to put it on, but I still put the motherfucking stick in there just so it won't shake or fly out. Luego lo mismo acá. And I lost the other one for this one, so valimos verga ahí. But yeah, they basically just come out and just disconnect your bulbs and you're good. Y así está. You'll just disconnect your bulbs, your high beams right here, low beams, obviously. Well, obviously to some people are new at this, right? We all start somewhere. I actually don't even have the high beams connected, so yeah. I'm thinking about getting some bluish headlights, the light bulb, some bluish light bulbs. I think they look badass at night and they look badass in pictures, so I'm not sure yet. But visibility is a big thing with my truck because tinted windows. In the morning you can see, but at night it's kind of hard to see. Sometimes I don't even realize that I don't even have my headlights on. So yeah, that's one thing to look out for. But yeah, let's get back. I'm gonna replace these, then I'm gonna show you the wiring. Okay, so we disconnected the light bulb off of both of them. So these lights come with two wires. This would be your ground right here, and this would be your positive, right? So they actually don't go connected to any of the harnesses up here on the headlights. They go connected to the harnesses on the turn signals, right? So they would go into this bulb right here, which is your turn signal. And I'm gonna unwrap it because I forgot what wires they were. I think it was like a green and another color, but I'll unwrap that and I'll show you how to connect those So we'll basically take this bulb off, put it up here so it can be easier to reach, and then we're gonna connect those right here, and we'll basically be done. Both sides too, so they both go here. So yeah, let me get to that and I'll show y'all. Okay, so for the wiring, your positive, which is this white one right here, is gonna go to the middle bracket right here. So connected to this middle one right here. What color is that? Brownish, I guess. This one right here in the middle, and then the black is gonna be your ground coming out right here. So just go. So I don't know why well, I do know why you're not supposed to put them like right next to each other. So I put it all the way up here. So my ground is up here, but you would do it to the left one right here, the black one. That's your ground, and then the middle one is gonna be your positive. So you're just gonna put your whatever colors your wires are. Mine was just white for positive, but on these ones over here, they're red and black. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not gonna show too much else on the installation. Like I said, it's more of a vlog because we still got some other shit to do. So I'll just show you the outcome. I forgot to mention one more thing. Not all trucks come with these three colors. Some are different. To make sure to use a electrical circuit tester to know which one's your ground and which one's your power, so you don't fuck your wiring up. But yeah. Alright, so we just finished the installation. This is how it turned out. See what the lights on. I like the chrome ones. Honestly, I didn't really like the shadowy ones because they kind of look too dark on my truck. But next is the chrome signal lights. I don't know why I keep fucking forgetting what they're called, but next is gonna be that. But for right now, it looks pretty good. It looks really nice. Alright, now that we're done with the headlights, the real vlog begins. Okay, so we're gonna go put these tires on, go to a tire shop, see if they can put them on, mount and balance them. They're for the front, same size for the front. The back ones, man, they still look pretty good, fuck it, right? But the front ones, I've been having some alignment issues. It swerves to the right. Oh shit! Ah! Okay, there we go. All right. También está abajo, just in case. But yeah, these ones are getting a little bald here in the back. Not too much life in them left, and I might as well replace both of them. This one I'm gonna probably end up keeping. That ain't too bad. So. Oh, actually, never mind. These are the worst ones. Yeah. Okay, so these are the bad ones. But yeah, I do highway driving basically everywhere. So, you know, tires are really important. I don't want to, you know, slip. You know this. I work so hard on this truck, and I see, you know, people getting in accidents and everything. I just don't want to be one of those people, you know. So, que Dios esté con nosotros. And let's go put these tires on. Alright, here we are. First, gotta, you know, always record the start of the truck. Yeah, I stopped FedEx. Where are my parts, motherfucker? I need my parts. He didn't stop by my house. I'm sad. ¿Dónde están mis turbos de China. Alright, so these guys are always the people I go to. Right here, Express Tire Shop. It's on Division in Arlington. 1707 is the number for it. They always do some pretty good work, so I always come here. And they're usually not too busy most of the times. They usually get you in quick. As you can see from the other video about all the wheels and shit, I went to Texas Tires. But the wait was going to be way too damn long, so I was like, nah, let me go to these guys. I've been going to them for a while now, for a few years. And yeah, these guys are the ones I go to, so shout out to them. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Just doing a little Christmas shopping at Macy's. But yeah, así quedaron las luces y luego las nuevas llantas también. Ya están puestas. I got some Stratos 5s. I'm not sure how good those tires are, pero they seem to have very good reviews on them, so I gave them a shot. They were like $140 a piece at Walmart. Not actual Walmart, but like the people that sell it. But yeah, así quedó. Las luces están chingonas. Chrome. Always gotta park, you know, away from the crowd. And then there's always that one dick that parks right next to you, pero no pasa nada. And then park in front of the police too. Okay. Nunca se sabe cuando they want to take your truck, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, one more thing for the video. We brought some antlers and little red nose for the little red. Why does this motherfucker actually look like a goddamn reindeer, bro? What the fuck? El tacuache that, you know, I'm Santa, bro. No cap. I should have bought the whole fucking outfit and shit. It's gonna be a tacuache Christmas right here. I don't know how long they're gonna last, to be honest with you. I feel a little shaky. But, you know, for the price, it wasn't bad. It looks cool, actually. I like it. I never done anything festive with my truck ever, so you know, this being the first year, looks really nice, really good to see. I'm also thinking about wrapping the hood with Christmas paper, little reddish Christmas paper, so it can actually be color matched. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. But yeah, I am gonna wrap the hood more than likely, unless if I get lazy or something. But yeah, look at that. It looks nice. It looks kind of cute, not even from the cap. I kind of just want to pet it, but you know, that motherfucker mean. Hold on, let's see how mean that bitch is. It looks cute, but it'll get the shit out of you. Anyways, if you want to find any of these antlers, they sell them at Party City. There's only a few left though, so because you know everyone's buying and shit. So I had to hop on the deal. But yeah, it's starting to look nice with the little antlers. Alright, now we can finish the video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.